Hello and welcome to the Tech Vibe. In today's video, we're going to fix the TCL Roku TV black screen issue. If your TV powers on but shows no picture, or you only hear sound with a black screen, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through the solutions. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. Unplug your TCL Roku TV directly from the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and power it on. Many times, this simple reset solves the black screen issue. Step 2. Check HDMI connections. If you're using an external device like a cable box, gaming console, or streaming stick, make sure the HDMI cables are properly connected. Try switching to a different HDMI port or replacing the cable if needed. A faulty connection can cause a black screen. Step 3. Adjust backlight settings. Grab your Roku remote, press the home button, go to settings greater than TV, picture settings greater than backlight. Sometimes the backlight is turned down too low, making it look like the screen is black. Adjusting the brightness can bring back your picture. Step 4. Perform a system restart. Using your Roku remote, press home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. This key combination forces a system restart. After the reboot, check if the screen issue is fixed. Step 5. Factory reset. Last option. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset. On the side or back of your TCL Roku TV, find the reset button. Hold it down for about 20 seconds until the TV restarts. This will erase all settings and restore the TV to factory condition. That's it. These steps usually fix the black screen problem on TCL Roku TVs. If your issue continues, it might be a hardware problem and you'll need professional repair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others who might have the same problem.